Well, today is my birthday, and my very kind friends John and Lucy gave me a Mego Star Trek motion picture 12-inch Klingon, which is just outrageously generous because these things are very rare. He needs a little bit of work, but that is all the best. Like, he's got a disco leg. So I'm going to try and repair the knee joint. And it looks like the only thing he's missing is his gun, so at some point I will try and repair or build a gun from scratch. I found this at Hobby World, so I'm going to use that to make the strap, spray it silver. I think that should work fine. I don't know what I'm going to use for the gun, probably either try and 3D print it or carve it. I know there's a few people selling reproduction ones, but I want to try and make one. So what we're going to do first is strip off the Klingon. Never thought I'd say that. So he comes with a really nice belt. These were originally pill containers, I think, or like bubble wrap type popper things on the actual belt. So this comes off. I'll be quite careful with them because I don't know how fragile these things will be after such a period of time. His head. I used to have this Klingon when I was a kid. I absolutely loved it. I played with it forever. At the time, it was like the most detailed, best figure you could ever get hold of. And there we go. So you get a nice arm. It's so lovely designed. A little bit. I might have to put a little bit of reinforcement there. Should be okay. It's nice, isn't it? Oh. He's got his crotch is gone. He's got Klingon crotch rot. So I'll have a look at sewing that up. So that's getting out of his onesie. Take the shoes off. The leg joints on these Megos are notoriously brittle. I remember when I was a kid, I broke my arm, and as a sort of cheer me up type gesture, my mum and dad bought me a Superman 12-inch figure, and literally in the car journey home, the peg snapped. So he was Superman with a taped up leg. Not so much the Man of Steel as the man of very brittle plastic. So this has actually got the joint on it. You can buy these, you can buy replacement ones of these, but I'm going to see what I can do to try and do it without having to buy one. I might try and use some Lego. But yeah, so that's, you can see where it goes. I've put bolts in these before, which is quite nice if they're just going to be displayed. You know, that's quite a nice one. The head, I might give the head a wash. It's got a bit of the greying on it, but I think that's okay on a Klingon because it's sort of, it doesn't look too bad. So let me go and see, have a look in the spares box and see what we've got that we can try and repair this with. It won't be a second. Oh, in the meantime, there's Maggie. Maggie. Yep, she's not looking. Here she is. She doesn't like I've redecorated the room, redone it, rearranged it, not redecorated it, and she's not sure about it. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so I've got the leg joint apart, and basically it comprises of one side like that, and another side, so this should have this on the top of it. And it pushes together, clips it solid. So I say, I think you can buy these, but we go at making one. So what I'm going to use is a piece of Lego, put that through, drill another piece of Lego out, that will go on that side and glue onto there, and that should give us a nice flexible joint. So what I've got to do first, move all this, is drill a hole in this. So get the pliers. As the crazy Russian hacker says, safety is our #1 priority. go. So that fits on there. So these are my little snips. They're a bit buggered, aren't they? We've got another pair. Yeah, not really. That's good. So then on this, it's got a nice, it's like an arrow, so I'm going to chop most of that off. There we go. And the idea is that bit goes in there. No, we don't. We're not using that bit, are we? Let's see now. Where are we? Yeah, we are. Ignore me. That bit goes in there. Like that. That goes in there like that. And that would fit on there and glue on. So what I've got to do is trim this down a bit more. Actually, I've got a sanding block. That's better. Right. As far as now, it should go in much deeper than that, shouldn't it? So push that in. There we go, that's better. That goes on there. So that's going to be pretty much hidden. That goes on there like that. That'll be free running. And that go on there like that. There we go. So a blob of super glue on there. I think that's a nice joint. Can I find my super glue? Yeah. Super glue? Yeah, why not? That's the thing when you tidy up your workbench, you can't find anything. Right. Okay. Just a case of letting that go off then. So in the meantime, I'm going to put that to one side. Where'd you put Klingon to let them dry out? There you go. So let's have a look. Top on the super glue. That's how it went manky last time. So I need to sew these up. Let's turn them inside out and see what we've got. He really has had some crotch rot, hasn't he? So I'm going to have to sew up and around there. So you could needle and thread it. I'm just going to use a sewing machine, so I'm going to do that and then we'll come back. Okay, so all I've done, horseshoe shape around the crotch. So that should then go on. It's not in bad condition at all, it's really nice. Very generous gift. Sits quite nicely. So all I have to do is wait till this goes off. Moves nicely. Seems pretty secure. I think that'll be okay. Right, let's pop him. Well, I suppose you don't want to see me dress him. I'll dress him. We'll come back. Carry on. Okay, so there he is. He's in his armour. It's all seating nicely. Did a little repair on a popper as well. It's just a hand sewing job. I was going to touch up the hair. I might just leave it because it's nicely worn. It's not overly worn, but it does show the age. And we'll try and get a replacement hand as well. It looks like either an animal has chewed it, or an unruly child, or perhaps a Klingon child. So as you can see, the leg now works perfectly. It's nice and solid. Good easy repair that. Lego fixes everything. So there you go. So I've now got a really nice Klingon. I'll try and get the gun and I'll make the strap, and then we can come back and see him. But yeah, he's going to live with pride with Admiral Kirk and Mr. Spock in the Star Trek room of the house. But yeah, thanks again, John and Lucy. It's so very kind of you to get me this. It's really chuffed me completely. But thanks for watching. If you want to see more repair stuff like this rather than painting, or as well as, let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks then. Bye.